Rating all my Dove products with a simple yes, no, or maybe. Pero pag di ko napigilan yung sarili ko, magbibigay ako ng onting comments kung bakit ayaw ko sila, gusto ko sila, or bakit maybe. Bahala na. First, Dove Sensitive. Yes. Hindi ko alam kung ilang box na ng Dove Sensitive soap yung nagamit ko. Ito talaga yung all-time favorite body soap ko. Dove Cool Moisture. Yes. Sobrang bango, very fresh yung amoy niya. Next, exfoliating body polish, oatmeal and calendula oil. No. Di ko gusto yung amoy nito, yung amoy niya parang expired na, pero ganun pala talaga yung amoy niya. Next, body scrub, crushed macadamia and rice milk. Yes. Sa lahat ng Dove scrub, ito yung pinaka-favorite kong variant. Ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat. Next, body scrub, brown sugar and coconut butter. Yes. Very creamy yung amoy niya. Amoy brown sugar and coconut talaga siya. Next, relaxing care, nourishing body wash, shea butter and vanilla. Yes. As a vanilla girly, gustong-gusto ko yung amoy nito. Next, refresh, cucumber and green tea, go fresh body wash. Yes. Yung cucumber tsaka yung green tea, very fresh yung amoy niya. Hindi nakakasawa yung amoy nito. Next, Peptide Bond Repair Damage Expert 1-Minute Conditioner. Yes. Ceramide Intense Repair Bioprotein Care 1-Minute Conditioner. Yes. Ceramide Intense Repair Bioprotein Care Shampoo. Yes. Dove Sensitive Moisturizing Cream Antiperspirant. Yes. Heat Protection Spray Smooth and Shine. No. Sobrang oily sa hair. Peptide Bond Repair by Face Serum Plus Oil Spray. Yes. Lightweight lang tong oil spray na to. Radiant Plus Care Deodorants. Yes. So yun lang muna for Dove products. Let me know kung ano yung next brand na i-rate natin.